principles. He says, we went with an individual recently to Edinburgh, the appeal court, went before the judge, but we actually changed the approach. So we went into the judge and says, right, first of all, before we proceed today, we note that there is recording equipment in this here, audio equipment. I take it that this hearing is being recorded, and then we will have a copy of the tape. At which point the answer came back immediately, no, I'm sorry, it's not being recorded. Now, obviously you could gripe about that, but there's no point, because you're honourable. So you say, look, I do not object to that. Well, actually, we don't mind at all. We don't have an objection. But, because you're not recording it, you will therefore have no objection to us recording it. And we will give you a copy if you want. So the judge pauses, right then, right, why do you want to record it? So you come back, well, for, what is it now, accuracy in the truth. Yeah, okay, you can record it. She says, right here, so he took his recorder, put it in and switched it on. So that was done.
All cameras meant to be switched on at all times.
Yes, and they
Because I've actually, I can't really say too much because it's submitted it.
Well, on the point there, I'll say just now, I will say just now, and I won't actually turn around and say, look, I'm not going to name names or anything. There has been people turn around and say that obviously the process in courts, now whether it's obviously transcripts, this is any transcripts, written transcripts, any video evidence or any audio recordings can be tampered with by anyone, right? So if you turn around and put someone in and there's a transcript or an audio recording and you get that back, a copy of it, and it's not accurate, is it possible it could have been tampered with?
Yeah.
Well, yes, it could.
See, I'm
So if
talking
that's
about
okay.
no waiting room where you sit
Yeah.
in and you wait. I'm talking like in a waiting room, like where they're all underneath the cameras talking the talk.
Well, that's not actually the courtroom. The point being is what I'm saying just now. If they have audio equipment, they're allowed to record you at the hearing, which is fine. But the point is, there should not be any complaints. If they're recording it, you should also be able to record it.
The principle of law is, if they can record, we
well,
can record.
if
Why
that's the
can't we
case,
record at court? Because we get told that we are in contempt of
Oh,
court.
Charlie Spencer.
No, we didn't do that. We wouldn't do that. That's not right. That.
This is the
No, that's not right. That's terrible. You can't do that. So you turn around and say, well, look, wait a minute, hold on a minute. He says, we're aware that this is not being recorded, but for accuracy and the truth, surely you wouldn't object to us recording it. We'll give you a copy. If they turn around and say, no, we object, they say, well, why would you object? So you put that on record.
Try.
Well, we have a
No,
judge.
it's all right. I just wanted to see if it worked. I just wanted to see if it worked, that's all.
Yes. Well,
And it's
that's-
all in the
I think it would, but I wanted to say
Well,
it.
we've just been told we did. On that point, we had the
The
same...
judge has actually refused all my transcripts, by the
Well,
way.
we had an appeal judge, the senior judge, appeal judge in Edinburgh, actually turned around and says, right, okay, fine, I'm not dealing with this, I'm not accepting the common law. I accept the common law jurisdiction exists, we're not dealing with it. So the individual says, look, he says, I don't have a contract with you anyway. He says, the Scottish Court and Tribunal Service is a company. I don't have a contract with you. He says, I'm not a company. He says, yes, you are. You're paid by the court service. No, I'm not. I says, yes, you are. He says, Eric McQueen is the CEO. I'm not paid. I've got nothing to do with them. I've got nothing to do with them at all. I thought, fine, okay. So we just carried on. We went away and done a bit of digging. Unfortunately, we actually found out that the same judge, which is a senior judge, appeal judge, we actually found out that not only is he connected to them, but he actually sits on the board of directors. And kindly enough, he was kindly enough to pose for a photograph with the board of directors, so there's 14 of them, and they're actually on the website. So they're about to go onto the Commonwealth website shortly. He should confirming that. Now, I'm not actually saying anything, but when a judge is actually told that he works for a corporation, and he's there and he's biased, and the judge blatantly turns around and says, no, I do not work for them, I have nothing to do with them at all. And yet, on their website, he's confirmed as a company director with his photograph there. If that's the case, is that a crime? Is that a crime? Well, the point here is, if that's the case,
Neither is the way
you put
it
it
When's the
on the
will is the way.
website, you highlight to the people, and as people find out more and more about this, and expose what they're doing, it then becomes easier to establish our position, to enforce things. So this is what we're doing. So it's all about building and working with people in the UK.
So government.
And the Queen,
I think it was bad enough getting to where we are just now.
John, that's one. How can we bring the Queen down? Because she basically
That's all needs to be looked at. We all know it.
She's not protected me. She hasn't protected anyone in this room, and she breached the foundation.
In relation to everything like that, it's the same with the legal fiction and obviously trust and everything. In relation to all this, it says you're thinking about things. It says when you're going to, it says you go for the Queen, you go for the Pope, it says you go for something like that. It says this is what we're doing. That's fine. We're not disputing. We're not disputing just now.
Everything's in her name.
Sorry, what we're doing just now is we're not disputing that what's happening is not unlawful. Should be overwhelmed. Sorry. What we're not saying is what's happening just now is not unlawful, right? It is unlawful.
Yeah.
It's, but the point is, if you turn around and say, right, I'm going to take on the Queen, it's not going to wash. But the point being is, what you do is you start off by claiming your rights, working with people and exposing what's going on. Now, unlike things for the first time ever, anywhere in the world, we within a period of 15 months, we have existing courts, not one, but numerous courts in the country, confirming that there's a common law jurisdiction. Now, the common law jurisdiction exists. It says, but it's separate from the state. They've actually admitted that it exists. We have our own courts, but they just don't want anything to do with it. But they confirm it does exist. So 11, 12,
Sorry,
13,
how did they confirm that?
they could verbally in court. And it's
There's a record of that?
Yes, yeah. We've already got that. We said because at the time as well, we've got various people who've written affidavits as well. We've actually since had written confirmation come back as well. But obviously, if we're doing this is why everyone's here today. The people actually run with the court and obviously help with the court and assist in a small team. They don't
Can I
get
just
paid.
say thank you?
Well, we don't
Yeah,
get to
doing
right.
what
Hold on,
you've
wait a
done.
On that point, it says it's not me. It's
No,
the
and
point.
it
The
is.
point. Well, hold on a minute. No,
Together.
I'm the mouthpiece. This is Neil's actually shy, believe it or not. He said, but obviously Neil's come up with this today because he comes everywhere. He would, I can't get rid of him. But basically, he says Neil comes up. He says involved in this. He says he has the time. He says obviously he doesn't have time. He's busy, but he puts in a hell of a lot of time. We also have other individuals that help out. He said we've got people abroad. So the point is, you're actually forgetting the most crucial point. He said the common law court is not a group of individuals. The common law court is you, right?
Yeah.
The
I
people.
said, I convened the common law court because I required a lawful remedy. I asked the people to come. They didn't. Now, what happens is now, with that, you convene the court, you've got the people there, that's it. If the people don't come up and don't help, there's no common law court. But the point is, the people have to use this. Now it says everything's been done to keep this down. It's not about money and all this. I said, look, there are problems because of the basic operating system and because of the way things work. They said there are delays getting documents and things like this. There's things happening just now, but bear in mind, we were swamped and with no people. If somebody turns around and says, look, here, what we've got is we're going to give you a budget here, employ some people who do X, Y, and Z, I'll say, great. We can then employ people, get everything doing straight away. We don't have that. He says, everything we do, we're fighting for. He says, the website just now, is we're looking at a website, well, that's fine. Well, any idiot can set up a website and do it for £500 or £600. I can set up, in fact, I did set up a website. So I set up a website, the one that's here. I don't know any of the websites, but it's okay, considering I don't know what I'm doing. He says, but basically it was set up. Now I get some help from people and I say, look, we'll do X, Y, Z. But the point is, that's not acceptable. So we have to come to speak to a programme to get a programmer to do a deal. So we've got someone working on it just now. But we don't have money for this. But the thing is, we don't get paid for this, and we have limited resources. But the point is, when the people join in and people assist with this, it's fine. If the people come in and say, look, here's a budget, do something, it's fine. But I've been in the position where the state attack me, I've no money. I don't have money to do this, I'd love money. He said, but the point is, we don't have that.
How are we going to get you funding then from the people that should be funding you? Because
Well, if you can actually book in with, I think it'll be okay till next March. If you like the route, you book me into the Bahamas for 4 weeks next March. If you want to contribute something. No, look, in relation to this, in relation to something like this, simple, look, it's not, I understand, I'm the first one, and I'm going to turn around and say, look, I don't have money. I said, if I had money, I would pay in loads of money to do something to other people. This has been done, not just for me, because I wanted a lawful remedy. The amount of work that's going on for people, no, we're having a court tomorrow. I've got nothing to do with the people tomorrow that are coming. right? So the people are convening a court tomorrow. I said, we've got probably around 100 names. We're taking 11 individuals to a Commonwealth Court tomorrow. I don't know them. It's not, it doesn't affect me. So basically what we're doing is we're taking these courts tomorrow. But it's in myself and Neil have travelled down here. I said, we've done quite a bit of work to get ready to help people, but it's to help people. But people have come and says we need to convene a court, so we're helping. So we're doing that. But the point is, having done that, having done that, he says, we're putting that in, but we don't get anything for that. But the point is, I've been in the position we don't have money, we still don't have money. But the point being is determined to say, right, okay, it's not fair, it's what can we do something. Yeah, if someone wants to turn over and hand £1 million, it'll never work. But says, that's fine, yeah, we'll do that. It doesn't work. Look, but you don't have to do that. The site is set up just now, small things. Tell people to record their birth, that's great, free of charge, not a problem. We don't charge for that. We won't charge for that because we'll not deprive anyone of that. So they have a right to do that. They can claim the legal fiction. They can do that. They can record any information free of charge. We'll not do that because that protects the people. So that's done free of charge. Now it says, if people in Turnley say, look, we want to do something. If people in Turnley say, look, what I will do is I cannot donate something, I cannot donate money, or I don't have a lot of money, but what I could do is I could help out. If they turn around and say, look, what I'll do is I'll donate a couple of pounds a month, £1, £2 a month, £3 a month. If they do that, there's a donate button. Now, if you turn around and say, look, I'll give a couple of pounds, donate, it's fine. So if 100 people did that, 200 people, there's funding coming in. The court is being convened tomorrow. The time that well, bear in mind it doesn't cover the time. It's the paperwork for tomorrow is 2,500 sheets of paper, for the court papers. It's the time to put it together and assist and do everything. He says it's numerous, but having done all that to put it together, he says it's probably ended up with £650 all in for everything involved, including time and effort. But there's no funding for that.
Would you want any help from anyone in the way? Because I'm game to
In
help
relation to what?
anything.
Well, what I'm saying just now, the main point of this, if people wish to help out in the Commonwealth Court process, he says what to do is put your name down, if you've done so in the sheet, we'll contact you and you can help convene courts locally for various things. If you do that, if you tell people to sign up to the Commonwealth Court as well, you do that, so that's fine. If there's other things that you can do because of any jobs skills you've got, there's things that you might be able to do later on, but you'll be working in your own areas. But you're working with the Commonwealth Court to develop it, yeah?
Can we get...
You need a donate button on the
We have a donate button.
yeah, £2 a month, whatever you can afford.
Yeah.
Is it going as planned
Donate
to
button.
swearing in at the
On the website.